I'm sure for those people who are using an iPhone, it's always been a question that how they can change their backup directory of their phone, which sometimes is going to be a problem because if you are a user just like me who uses an 120 gig SSD for their Windows, then you're going to have a lot of problem because if you have a big backup on your drive C, when you try to restore from that backup, it takes almost twice the size of that backup to actually restore from it. When you try to hit the restore, if your backup is, for example, 30 gig, it's gonna take actually up to 60 gig of your space in order to restore your phone from it. So what we're gonna do actually is I'm gonna tell you how to change the directory of that backup so easily, and let's get to it. Okay, now type in copytrans.net in your browser and then go. It will lead you to this page. Now click on download and then download the installer, which is like 6 meg, and then install it. Now when you install this thing, it will give you this, the CopyTrans Control Center. Now the program that you actually need, the app that you need is CopyTrans Shelby. Okay, now click on install and then wait for it to install. Now after it's been installed, click on start, and now what you're gonna need to do is actually bringing up the program and then go into toolbox. Now as you can see here, my current iTunes backup folder location is like f/iTunes backup. Now yours might be something like C users, your name /app data, and so on. So this is the new location that you want your iTunes backup to be. So click on this pencil and choose your location, click on OK, and then hit the start. And your backup will be transferred. That easy. Now for the hard method. Go into your drive C, your username, and then app data, local, and your Apple computer. Now you're gonna find your backup in here. In order to actually change the directory of this backup, you're going to have to use a simple drag and drop. Bring up the destination that you want your folder to be in it. For example, I want this folder to be in drive E. Yours might be different. You want it in a different drive. Now use a drag and drop this folder in here. Now make sure that you have the backup folder fully copied to the new destination drive, because once you do so, you can either delete the backup folder from the original location, or you can rename that backup folder to backup old. For example, I'm going to rename this folder to backup old. Now, in the original destination, which is the one that we use to drag and drop on local and Apple computer, hold on Shift and then right click and bring up Open Command Window here. And now type in that E at the end of this can be actually your drive or the drive that you want your folder to be in. I wanted it to be in E, but you can make it to be in like C, B, or anything else. And after creating this junction, you can actually see that the command prompt window returns a success in creating a junction. For those that want to know, nklink is actually a Windows shell command for adding a symbolic link, and the /J is a switch that refers to a specific kind of a symbolic link called directory junction, and this junction was used to actually link those two folders that we wanted to change their directory. At the end of this video, I hope that you actually enjoyed watching this, and the time that you put on watching these videos means a lot to me. And thank you for watching. Always use the easy method, and that's it for me in this video.